Hello, I'm going to be showing you how to do the door alarm, spy gear door alarm. So you want to get it should look like this. This thing doesn't really have to be perfect, but I would want to keep it in your pointer finger distance. But yeah, so the way it works is when you open the door, it goes off, and I'm going to show you how to arm it so it will go off, because it won't just go off. And the on button is on the back, so when I'll show you that later, but for now, this key does not disarm the alarm. All it does is open this. Now, what you want to do when you have it start, it should have a 1, 2, 3, 4 code. And it's not like numbers, it's like little dots. So, to change that, you want to hold one until it does this. Then type in your new code. Click this twice. And it should stop. Now, if you forget your code after you do that, all you want to do is go turn it off on, which I'll show you in a second. But let's get to arming it. So you want to hide a key in a certain place, and so I'm just gonna put mine up here for right now. But I would want to write the code down. I didn't. I just remembered mine. So what you want to do, for me, this is how I do it. Click 4, close it, and just give it a sec. I'll unpause it. Oh, no, never mind. Later. Alright, when you hear that, it's armed. So let me just open the door to make that sound. Take your key, type in your code, click this twice, and bam. Alright, let's say you lost your key to open it. Well, you can still actually get inside of it by holding this and turning it far enough. But the key is kind of easier and cooler. So all the key does is when this is closed, it has a little thing at the bottom which releases once you turn it, if you can see it. Let me kind of focus on it. Well, that's technically all you need to do. Let me show you where you turn it off at. It's right here. No, it's not. It's right here. So, let's say you forgot your password. You would turn it off, turn it back on. Here, let me just do it real quick. Take your key, open it, and bam. So let me arm it real quick. Well, that's not supposed to happen. Get a little closer to the magnet. There we go. So after that loads, finishes, you can close this. That should help so you can catch them quicker. But I'm just gonna rip this off, and that should go off. Type in your new code. Click this twice. Blam. Well, that's pretty much it. How to use ARM and change your password. Well, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. Check out my friend Dallas Engel. I'll put his YouTube channel in the description. Thank you for watching. And I'm gonna put he has a website which is a DJ Like, he makes his own little DJs mixing songs, and he posts them on that. I'll put that in the description too. Well, thank you for watching. Bye.